Still in AutoCAD Inventor, and now I'm doing the assembly. I've created my 4 parts. They're down here, and here's my assembly drawing. First, I'm going to place my first part, and that's why it's so important you keep track of where all your files are. All my parts are here. I want to create the bottom of the bowl, which is part 4, and there it is. Right click, I'm done. Then I'm going to place the second part. The second part would be part 3. Place it in here. I'm done placing that. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Really kind of key to use the 3D mouse on these. What I want to do is I want to rotate only a single part. So I'm going to click on rotate and click on that part. And now I could grab this and rotate the part. So I think I want to rotate it like that. See if that works. And then I'm going to constrain it with a mate. So I want to mate this face to that face. Need to apply it. Close that window. And those two pieces are together. Should be able to drag this part and lay it down on top right there. So that's the second piece. I'm going to place my third piece, which would be part 2, into my CAD drawing. Should line up kind of like that. Right click, I'm done. Good to use a 3D mouse. Again, I'm going to constrain it with the mate from this plane to that plane. Apply, close that window. Let me drag that part to where I want it. You kind of get an idea what this bowl is going to look like. Finally, I'm going to draw in my 4th part, which is going to be part 1 because that's my top part. I'm going to place it in my CAD drawing. I'm going to place it here. Right click, I'm done. I think as well I'm going to constrain it. I'm going to constrain this back face to the front face of the top of this board. You got to remember to apply it. And once I'm done there, what I'm going to do is I want to rotate this part. Let me zoom out a little bit. Rotate that part around. I think that's good. And then I could grab that piece. It's constrained to the face. What I need to do is I need to rotate it. Click on it. Oh, that's in the wrong plane. Pause my video. Okay, so then I stack my 4 rings together in my assembly. That gives me a pretty good idea what my bowl will look like. Using the 3D mouse, I could really move the whole assembly. Or if I want to just move an individual part and rotate it, I could click on rotate, select the part I want to move, and as I move my mouse around, you can see there, this is a 3-dimensional rotate. I go that circle, and that's a flat rotate. So I could flat rotate it. And that gives you an idea what the bowl is going to look like. I don't really like that. It looks like everything's going to fall out of that bowl, too square. But, you know, within a few minutes I have a good idea of a sketch. Maybe I'll go back and redesign a bowl that I actually want to make.